We're gonna go on a hike together.
Yeah, paradise, yeah, yeah. It's somewhere that I've never been before. Yeah, I just wanna be there when I wake up.
We turn down the AC. Today we're gonna go on a hike together. So get ready, get set. We gotta drive there, so I'll see you guys when we're there, okay? Got hungry. Yeah, of course I got hungry. But I already ate my snacks. I ate all my oranges and I already ate my Quest chips. It's supposed to be my snacks when I'm up there, but let's go. All right, we're on the move. I could have parked closer, but yes, extra cardio for the day. So this is where we're going. It's the Chino Hills State Park. Can we just drive up here? Bro. Maybe we should just drive up here. This is a lot of cardio, man. Yeah, either have to go left or right. I picked the right. Let's hope I'm right. So this is my path right here. That's the scenery over there. It's gotta be it. Is this it, chat? Let me know. Oh yeah, this is it. This is it. Oh, we freaking picked right. Yeah, literally, we picked right. Nobody's behind us, and you're about to see. Oh yeah, this is it, bruh. 3, 2, 1. Yes, sir. Oh damn, this is nice. It's beautiful. It's purple and yellow. It's Laker colorway. Where they got the Laker colorway. Having the Laker colorway in nature is insane.
Harden, you can have a pardon, you can get a garden. Lakers in 5.
It's currently what I'm seeing here. That's the trail back down. We're going up. Keep it going. My flannel fell off and it's dirty now. Yeah. Yeah. Damn. I need some thicker socks next time. These things are attacking me, man. These little things. What is this? It's hey. Hey, how you doing? Damn, it hurts. Yeah. Ow. Damn. I'm ashy. Ugh. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we made it. We made it. Here's the view. W's. A lot of stuff went on along the way, but we did it. We did it. Let me set up the tripod.
Just come outside for the night. Yeah. Take your time, get your life. Let it the career's more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on it.
Video for the day. This is you guys' cardio hike scenery. Damn, this is a fire video. Y'all get a hiking cardio in the Himalayas, bro. Gosh. And you get a part 2. Like the video. Just like the video, subscribe. Like the video, subscribe, because it's gonna be a part 2, and then many more hikes to come. So, like the video, subscribe, comment what you guys want to see next. Where you guys want me to go. I need to get a new ultra wide lens because the one I was using is now full of dirt. I hear a car. I'm gonna die. All right, let's not die. Peace out, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment for part 2, or comment what you want to see next. Nature C out.